Hi guys, super duper quick video today. I always say that, don't I? Super quick video. Anyway, so there are two new apps that I couldn't wait until like next week to tell you about because I think that they are so important, especially because they're both new. And I want to thank Jacqueline from the Wicked Griffin. I'm going to go ahead and link her down below. That way you can check out her shop. Give her a huge thank you down in the comments. Jacqueline posted this amazing app, and the name of the app is Vero or V-E-R-O. Anyway, the point of this app, I guess you could describe it a lot like Instagram, but almost with a Tumblr feel. So what this app is, it's basically the same as Instagram where you can post photos, but you can also post videos, links to movies that you're watching, Netflix, books, links to your Etsy shop. There are so many amazing uses for this new app. I am so impressed with it, and everything is in chronological order, which is something that people have been complaining about from the bigger apps for a long time, like Facebook and Instagram. And another great thing about it, right now it's still in beta, but as of right now there are no ads. It's free to sign up. I made my account yesterday, and it takes a little while to kind of figure out, but so far it's really streamlined. The interface is beautiful, and because there's hardly any users on it right now, this is the great time like to jump on, get your business on here, claim your business name, and start building the foundation of this new app, because if it becomes the next big thing, you will be one of the first accounts on there. And you all know that when you're the first to do something, just like the first Etsy shops, they tend to be the most successful and have the largest following. So get on there, start adding people within your niche, and start engaging and posting things, because this is going, I greatly suspect this is going to be like the next big thing. The second app that you guys probably already know about, it's been the talk of the town with the Handmade Alpha community as well as the Bestie community. Renee Christine just unveiled her big, awesome Bestie app that you guys can find in the App Store now by searching Z Besties. Holy cow, I am so incredibly impressed with this app, how seamless and beautiful it is. Renee has obviously outdone herself with this app. There's a live schedule on the app, so you know exactly when she's going to be streaming with guests. She has a daily to-do list. I think that is amazing, super cool. She's got links to all of her videos and so much more. And you know, this is one of those things where I thought for sure that she was going to charge like $1 or $2 for this app just to help herself out, because I know that she probably put a lot of time and money into this thing. And she surprised us all by making this app completely free. You don't even have to pay 99 cents for this sucker. You just go in, download, and you can start using it immediately. And she just unveiled this today. So if you're a Handmade Alpha or one of the Z Besties, you need to jump over, grab that app, download it, start using it. Leave a great review for her too if you love it, because, you know, obviously with it being a new app, there aren't a lot of reviews on the App Store yet, but this is going to be the next big thing for the handmade community. So be sure to jump on that bandwagon. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this quick little video. I just wanted to get the news out there about these two apps. I know that it's kind of a short one, but you know, the sooner you guys get on these, the better, because the sooner you can start building your own positive impact, especially with a new social media app. Things like that are crazy and they don't happen often, but everyone's predicting that this is going to be the next big thing. So be sure to grab those. I'll have links down below for both of those apps. That way you don't have to go searching for them, if that'll make things a little bit easier. One last thing, guys, that you need to get on your calendars. This Friday at noon Eastern, 9 a.m. Pacific, Anthony Wolf from Etsy Rank, yeah, the Etsy Rank, he is going to be joining us for our live Q&A that we do every week. He's our first like guest star, I guess you could say, and he's going to be answering your questions about Etsy's new search algorithm as well as Etsy Rank. And he wants to hear your guys' suggestions for how you think that he could improve this amazing Etsy tool. I'm not an affiliate of Anthony and Etsy Rank. I just really love the tool. I know that the Handmade Alphas love the tool. You guys have told me it is one of your favorite Etsy related tools, so I really want you guys to be able to sign up for this amazing opportunity. You guys can get all of the details on that by signing up to my email list, linked down below. That is the Handmade Alpha VIPs. Totally free to join, and right when you sign up, you even get my free ebook, which covers how to gain a fanatical following of fans on Facebook for your Etsy business. All right, guys, have a great weekend. I'm heading off to a going away party with Mr. Moore and I. One of our friends is moving, so we have kind of a chill weekend. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy those new apps, and I will see you on Friday.